guys, it's me, Bonnie. So I just got back from the gym, and before I take a shower, I wanted to walk you guys through this treatment that I'm going to try to do. I've been having like a lot of my hair falling out lately, and it's just been feeling really dry and damaged. So I've been like desperately trying to fix it with whatever I can get my hands on, and I'm trying this, which I've done before in the salon. We can't go to salons right now, so I found it online and then ordered it. And I'm gonna walk you guys through it. So it's just the Fusio Dose. Here's the booster reconstruction. You mix it with the Fusio Dose. It's like a little vial. And I'm gonna show you guys first my hair, how it is. So yeah, this is currently my hair. It doesn't look too bad because I already did like a Kerastase conditioner the other day with a mask. It still needs more help, so yeah. This is just how my hair is looking. It's a little and sweaty because I just was at the gym. But I do need to shampoo it first, and then this Fusio Dose treatment acts as a conditioner, so you don't have to condition your hair. And yeah, I'll just like walk you guys through the whole thing. So there's the hair. All right, cool. Now I'll show you guys this. So it just comes like this, and I got the Reconstruction Reinforcing Booster, voila. And I got the Vita Cement, which is it's the same color. So it's like this dark green, so you know it kind of goes together. And I got these little vials to mix it with. So it comes in like this little vial, and they give you, won't get out of here, this little squirter. So yeah, there's like this little vial and this, and I'll show you guys when I come back with my hair shampooed how this works. Also, before I take a shower, I want to show you guys what I'm going to be using for shampoo. This is the Volumizing Shampoo. I like it because my hair is kind of thin and I want some volume. And I also wanted to show you guys this that I got. A salon where I'm at in Germany actually delivered it. They deliver some products because obviously it's better to get stuff straight from the salon. But this is the new Genesis line by Kerastase, and it's a serum that you put on your scalp, and it's supposed to help your hair not fall out. I've only just been using it a couple of days, so we'll see how it goes. That's why my scalp's looking a little, because this steps on it. Okay, bye. All right, hi guys. So I'm back. I washed and like towel dried my hair, squoze it. And yeah, this is like a little bit of a process. So while we're doing it, I'm going to put on the Shiseido Wrinkle Resist eye pads. All right, let's get into this thing. So here's my hair. It's looking pretty, you know. Oh, there's that short piece of hair. Oh, you see what I mean, you guys? In the middle of my scalp. Like, we gotta fix this. This is just a mess. So this is a wet brush, the boar bristle one. But I'm still gonna try to be really careful when I brush it through. Starting from the bottom, working my way through, just to smooth everything out. I feel like it's much easier to work with if I brush my hair before I start doing stuff. I was not successful finding a clip. It's like whenever you need a clip, you can't find one. This obviously isn't the clip I'm looking for. It's like a little decorative clip, but it'll have to do. All right, so let's get into this thing. I'm gonna just like section out my hair. See what I mean? This little clip is never gonna work. All right. Okay, so now we've got this is the Fusio Dose Concentrate Vita Cement by Kerastase. And we're gonna take our Fusio Dose Booster Reconstruction thing and open. And what you have to do is pop it in, and then you just twist it one good time, and it just empties that much into it, and then you untwist it, and voila, that's it. Drip the little drips on my hair to dry it because, yeah. All right, we'll just close her back up. Look how big that is. That's a lot of uses. And I have, how many? 6, 9 more after I use this one. You guys, my hair is falling down, so I'm gonna have to. Oh, baby Jesus. Okay. Stay. Okay, so we got this far. Now the stuff's in here. I'm gonna put this baby on, and I'm gonna shake her up a little bit and start squirting away. And I'm gonna just like rub it through. Very nice. Smells really good. Okay, that layer is done. It's like all over my body. All right, let's bring this down. Do this side. All right, I'll probably speed up through this part, so. Okay, so now that I've got it all through my hair, I'm gonna just put her up. It doesn't say how long to leave it in, but since it's replacing a conditioner, I'm gonna just leave it in while I do some other stuff and then wash it out. So yeah, just put it up. Hopefully this little clip works well enough. And yeah, I'm gonna go make a video about how I do my henna eyebrows. If you guys want to watch that, it will be in another video. So yeah, I will see you guys after I rinse this all out. Bye. Right, I'm back. So I just rinsed out all of the product, and I'm pleasantly surprised at how soft my hair felt, like without actually using a conditioner. I just rinsed this out. I shampooed and then did all this stuff that we just did and rinsed it out, and it felt like I used a mask or something. My hair felt really, really soft. And you can already see how shiny it is, even though it's like wet. Excuse. So I'm pretty shooketh. All right, I'm gonna do like a brushing test, and then we will dry. Yeah, it's way softer. It's just like gliding through it better now. All right, so I will dry this and I will show you guys the final. Okay, before I dry my hair, I am gonna use some other products, so I will show you what that is. This is what I showed you before, the Genesis Serum Anti-Hair Fall Fortifying Serum. And I just kind of separate my hair and squeeze some of it on my scalp. And then massage it in. So yeah, I'll do that all over the scalp. You only need to really do this like once a day. And that's pretty much good for that. And I'll just like rub it in. Ooh. Because like literally, you guys, it's so bad my hair fall out. Like when your boyfriend notices how much your hair is falling out, it's like a problem, right? Okay. Because usually if you notice it, yeah, it's one thing, but when someone else notices it. All right, so I'm also going to be using this Olaplex Bonding Oil, and I'm not like a professional hair person, so I don't really know what order you're supposed to put these things in, whatever. So I just kind of like smush this around, smush, smush, voila, that's that one. And I also use the Bond Smoother by Olaplex. I have to use a very small amount because you guys, sometimes I just glob stuff on and then I like dry my hair and it's like all weird feeling. It's not cute when you blow dry your whole hair and it's like greasy feeling because you put too much stuff on, so be careful. So yeah, there's that. And then I go in with the Revlon dryer brush thing. I don't know, but this thing is really good, so yeah. I mean, that's quite a big difference, you guys. Quite a big difference. All right, so this is the final product after I did the Kerastase Fusio Dose. I'm very happy. My hair is super silky and smooth, and feels exactly how it does when I get it done at the salon. So I'm super happy that I was able to achieve that by myself at home. It means I did it right. So yeah, I hope you guys like this video, like and subscribe, and I will see you guys later. Bye.